Hi everyone, now welcome to the digital creation page. This is the final video in the little guided tour that I tried to create. So if you've gone all the way and you've got here, then seriously get yourself booked in for a consultation. Let's talk, you're interested. Go on, get the button click, let's see what you've got, let me help you out. This page I'm just going to talk about my graphic design and video editing. I have placed myself in quite a fortunate position where I am paid for something that I find relaxing. When I'm sat in Photoshop, I imagine it's how an artist feels. You know, when they got a paintbrush, I can't draw or paint to save my life unless it's got little numbers on it. I'm quite good at that, pretty decent. Not really got the patience though. But I just feel content, 100% content. People ask me like, how do you work 17, 18, 19 hours days? And honestly, the time flies because I'm doing something that I love. It's it's relaxing, and to be quite honest, I wish I didn't need sleep because 19 hours just really isn't long enough. And it's the same with the video editing. You know, when I started this business, I had a look at the competition, and the standard of video editing was so high, and I was using Windows Movie Maker just to do little tiny videos because I enjoyed doing it. So I had to seriously rapid increase in skill. So every day is a school day. I do try and better myself in every video from the last one, and I do spend quite a lot of my time doing something that when I started I didn't really think it was 100% possible. It causes quite a lot of headaches, but that is why I charge for my time. So with that, the graphic design, it really is where my passion lies. I love creation, I love getting creative, I love just sitting down and just coming up with ideas and just letting it all flow and come out into the screen. On this page you will find some of the work that I have completed, videos that I have done, promotional videos, some animation as well which I've thrown in there because I really do love animation and creating that animation. But as I say, if you've got this far in the video, click the book consultation button, let's get you booked in, have a chat about your business. There's no obligation, and honestly, you want us on your side. You really do. Even if you're a business that's been around a while and just wants to step forward digitally, I'm here. I've got a business partner, another business who comes on board and helps me as well. And we are trying to help you. We are trying to change the way it's going in the world, because there's companies out there that are just take, and then giving nothing, and it's damaging. It's damaging. It's seriously, I'll say it again. It's damaging. But yeah. Cheers for watching, thanks for coming to my website, and if you do have any questions and you don't want the consultation, just click the contact us button. Cheers everyone.